Hi friends, online learning, online courses being very popular nowadays. And if you are going to become a solution provided like online application software for learning management system and that too with examination management system, how it sounds to you. At Digician on this channel, we are exploring on the ideas and solutions through which we can start our own digital business that can become a permanent source of income, good source of income, and without having any technical knowledge, without having any skills. We just need to invest a minimal amount and we can start our digital business. In this video, I have a great solution for online learning management system and online courses that includes the examination system as well. So this is the first interface. This is the website that you can own, and I'm going to show you all the admin labels, all the login labels, different login labels in this video so that you may understand how the system is working and how you can start a digital business using this solution. And I am sure you have already subscribed this channel if you are really serious about a smart working and starting a digital business, willing to explore multiple solutions like AI technology and the application software through which you can really start earning online or start working smartly. So just subscribe this channel and let us proceed towards the solution, that is learning management system with examination system. And I am going to overview the script named as MenorahOES, Online Learning and Examination System. This ready-to-use script is available at codecanyon.net through the video description link. But yes, you have to watch this complete video. First understand the things, then we can decide whether we want this solution or we need to compare other solutions as well. So you can explore other solutions. In the same category, you can explore other application software for learning management system, whichever sounds good to you, whichever is suitable for you, your perspective, your target, you can choose that. And we are going to make this system live for you at your domain, at your hosting. Nothing is shared. You are going to be honored. You are going to whitelist this solution, and the cost for this solution is $199. Plus you have to buy a hosting, shared hosting of course, and a domain name. So you can easily calculate the amount that you have to invest. And as I said, there are other solutions as well. So MenorahOES Online Learning and Examination System provides two-step installation. It is going to be easy, free and paid examination series, section-wise exam with or without timer, practical examination, questions, front-end CMS, multi-theme support, resume builder, and of course learning management system, complete learning management system. So it is going to be a complete solution for you, and the system is working fine at the existing users. They are using very fine. So let us explore the different screen. So I'm at super admin screen, at the owner screen. So you assume yourself as the owner of this solution. So this is the dashboard that is showing the most of the basic information what is going inside the system. I'm going to show you very quickly all the screens so that you may get the complete idea of the system. Since you are the owner, you have to onboard on the system. You have to set up the system through this admin panel itself. So you'll get this admin panel once we install the solution for you at your domain and hosting. So you are logged in, assume you are logged in as a super admin, the owner of this solution. And first of all, we have master settings that we need to undergo. And the master settings offer us multiple things like what we want to handle, like this is module management system, site settings, the payment gateways, email settings, SEO settings, PayPal settings, site visit and all. So you can explore all these through the links here, like if you are willing to manage the module, what you want to enable or disable, like this is module management, payment gateway, offline payment and basic things. So you can simply set all these parameters so that you may onboard on the system in the proper manner. And as I said, you are going to change the name of this solution. It is going to be whitelist for you. You have to upload your own logo. You can make it at your brand name. So it is totally configurable and easy to set up. So you have to explore all these screens like payment gateways, email setting and all. and you can set up the system for your own uses. Like certificates are here, the messaging system, invoice setting, Razorpay, payment, pay you, all these things. So you have to do. Okay, so coming back on the dashboard, next I take you to the language settings. So the system provides multiple language support and you can run the solution in any language that you want. So you just need to enable and disable the things. Like enable English is enabled by default, and you can update the strings. Like these are the strings that is being used in the English, and you can change the strings, the URL structure basically coming in English and all. So you can change these parameters, however it is not required. So if you are running in the system in the English. And the next screen gives us user settings, so that we may create new users. Administrator, owner may create the system user, and it can be simply added through the add user screen by providing the basic details and what is going to be the role. So the super admin, the owner can decide who can be the another owner at the admin, the student and the parent. So it is totally depends on the requirement, which type of users is required. Next is examination. So this is the basic and the most valuable things that I found in the system. Examination system is broad. Of course, this is a learning management system, so we are going to discuss this as well, but examination module is really very good here. So you can set the examination category, like which test it is going to be, and the description of test, and you can create a new examination category here, and the quiz category, of course. And the question bank is really very good. So this is the question bank, and you can even import the question in bulk, and you can add new subjects. So question subjects is here. To add new subject, you can simply follow this screen and further. So this is subject screen basically, and the quiz that we want to run, and this is the quiz, and we can create new quiz or create a new series of quiz. So it is again a very good configuration that is available. We can create new quizzes, and we can add new add exams category, and the quiz questions and the short description of quiz. So in question is not here, so it is just explanation of quiz. And of course in the next step we can set the examination types, like exam types, exam series, instructions, subject masters, so and the subject topics. So this is a comprehensive quiz management, exam management system that is included in the system. Coupons, you can always create new coupons for promotion activities and all. Next, I'll take you to the learning management system, where you can create the countries and the categories and the contents of learning management system. So this is basically adding the course. So it is like, this is the content, title, add content, and this is the details, content type. This is video, audio, iframe, audio, URL or URL. So this is content management for LMS. The series that we can generate for the course, the English series, the premium and all these things. So this is basically the series option gives us option to series a title, LMS category. We can decide, like in the physics, this is a series, or we can add the description and all. The resume templates, the system also offers the resume creation facility. So these are the templates that we can handle. Even we can edit the existing template. So this is one of the templates that we can edit, and we can choose the image file as well. Next is the payment reports. What payment is being received, like online payments and all. So this is a dashboard for payment. Next, notification, so that we may get notification. SMS gateways, it can be configured here. Send SMS option is here. Messages for internal communication, and also it is somehow not working. Feedback system is here. The website pages can be controlled, like laptop, registration terms, or mission YS. So this is for front end website, and the blogs, FAQ, and the master settings. So this is for the owner of the solution. So I'm taking you to the another screen so that you may get. So as an owner, you are going to set all these things. And now I'm taking you to the admin screen, what admin is going to do. Now I am logged in as admin. Again, we have this dashboard, and admin has almost same capacity to handle the solution. Here examination category question bank etc can be created by the admin. So import question, add subject options, same as a owner of this solution. So admin and the owner is almost same with some different capacity, but admin can do much of the things inside the system. So the pages and the screens are almost same. Now I'm taking you to the another login. This is a student login. So a student can access the dashboard, of course, examination that a student need to take, the category, the exam series that a student can attempt, and no series is available for this particular student login. And analysis by subject, by exam, the history, like this is the analysis thing, and like math, history, English, what was the correct and wrong, what was the performance of this particular student. LMS is again accessible to the students. Whatever courses has been updated can be seen here, and the student can create their own resume. Subscription can be handled by the student itself. So subscription request can be added from here, and for the notification is here. So this is all about the MenorahOES online learning and examination system, and you can have the solution at Code Canyon as I said, but there is a downside of this solution, I must tell you, because I am overviewing the solution and giving you the idea to have a business. What is the main downside? Why I cannot directly advise to have this solution and refer to other solution as well, very clearly. So it is my duty to show all the solution, but it is my also another and important duty to give unbiased opinion why you should go with the solution or why you should not go with the solution. The main problem with this solution, it is not being updated. So it is not being taken care by the developer of the solution, and the last update was made in October 2022, so 4 years back around, and since last 4 years it is not being updated. However, the application, the solution and the script is available at codecanyon.net. This is why I am also recording this video, because if it is available, it is being sold, and it is my prime target to give you all the details so that you may understand the system and solution before choosing this. So don't go blindly with any solution. So you have to understand why you should choose this, how it is going to be helpful in starting your digital business or your own application. So it is important. So the main downside, I have told you, decision is upon you. And in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions, and you can even continue watching other videos that gives you smart working options for you on the web. Keep watching, keep reading. Thank you.